everybody, today I'm working on a 10 by 20 canvas and I plan on doing a puddle pour today. So the colors that I'm using, I've got this blue here, and it's two of them mixed. It's ultra blue and regular blue, and that's from those are from the Fine Touch. And then this one here is a metallic blue, that's from Artist Loft. And then this one here says Liquitex red, so I'm not sure which red. These are leftover colors from previous pours, so I'm not really sure. This one is Artist Loft metallic red, and then I have white, a couple bottles of white, and those are Artist Loft Floetrol. And I do have black. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but that one is Artist Loft Floetrol too. And then I do have some extra red that's from the Fine Touch, that's crimson red. So if I use it, I will, if I don't say in the video, then I'll put it in the description. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to just start. I'm going to pour 2 puddles of white, kind of big puddles. And I'm putting opposite colors, so the next one will have blue on red, red on blue, and they'll be the metallic. These are just the regular blues and red. So I'm going to put a little bit more white on top of that. And all my paints are mixed with the mix that I make, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and a little bit of water. Okay, so I'm going to put some black in the middle. And just, that's it, just that. Just a little bit. Okay. Put the red in there. I'm going to put a little bit more white. There's a lot of paint on this canvas, for sure. I didn't put any silicone or alcohol, hair serum, Rain-X, nothing in here. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run my finger through it. I've seen a few people do it, so I thought, what the heck, I might as well give it a try, and it can't hurt. So, there we go. Give it a little bit of design there, and I'm just going to start moving it. I'm going to try to just get it covered. And then, voila. Oh, dang it. Dang it, dang it. Okay, so I'm not really happy with what happened there. So I'm just going to try to cover it. don't really have a lot here. Okay guys, I would take you in for a closer look. I really like how this turned out. Just a simple puddle pour. Cool design. No cells. I don't always need them. And you can see I fixed that spot that was in the black. It was a drip from my glove. So I got that fixed, thank goodness. So anyway, I'm really happy with this. Alright, so stay tuned and I will show you when it's all dry. Okay guys, here's the painting all dry. Let you see it a little closer. Right there in that, it's almost like a heart. I like it. I did flip it around so that was up because it was kind of upside down. But you can see there's almost like a purple, faint purple shadow around it where the white and the blue meet. So I really like that. It's just really faint. So, quite happy with how it turned out. I love a simple puddle pour. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.